This is mint green recipe. I made juice, two types of recipes of juices. So it's healthy for your body as you're exercising and fighting your body weight. So it's very good for weight loss. Just sit back as I'm going to take you through the process so that you try it and thank me later. Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing? As you can see, I'm back and I'm still on the journey of my weight loss and calories cutting, reducing on the calories and the fat, stomach fats and the hands. Yeah, so far it is so good, but I'm going to be specific today. I'm going to give you the hints on how to add on the how to add weight loss drinks to our meal plan. Yes, so before I do that, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Leave that comment in the section right down below, and don't forget to subscribe for the faster notification. Today I'm going to blend some juices, the ones I normally take. I normally every day I try. Today I'm going to talk about the fruits and vegetables. I'm going to blend some fruits I do daily and the vegetables. So in juices, fruit juices, I'm going to do apple, green apple. I'm going to add lemon, then orange, then ginger roots, beetroot and carrots. Those are the fruits. And for vegetables, I'm going to use celery, this green pepper and cucumber plus spinach. Yeah, so I'm going to do that and I'm going to show you the process. So just be around, don't So after cutting into pieces, we are going to blend our juices and get our two recipes I told you. We are going to start. As you can see, my cucumber is inside and apple. We are going to add ginger. Yeah, we are going to add celery. We are going to add it inside. Then we have our apples, orange, lemon. So we are going to start the blending with our multi-functional blender. Let's start. So it is helping us to add in juice. Yeah. So since the thing is a little bit hard, we have to add in a little bit of water for it to be faster and faster. Yes, so you see, we are going to juice is ready to be served our heartbeat juice recipe, and mint green juice recipe is more of vegetable fruit juice. Yeah, so keep healthy, keep loving yourself, keep exercising. Let's fight those calories, let's look good, let's be healthy. Yeah, so guys, thank you for subscription. Keep subscribing, share, share, like, comment. Our health recipe is still going. Our health journey, my health journey, my body toning, my weight loss meal plans are coming soon. So keep yourself around. Just click, keep on clicking. I love you guys. Take care of yourself. I love you so much. Mwah.